How to add PayPal payments to Shopify. So hello there and welcome back to another video. In this video, I'm going to show you how you can add PayPal to your Shopify store. So here we can see this your Shopify dashboard login store. You have to log into your Shopify dashboard, then I will show the rest of the steps. As you can see, I'm logging into my Shopify dashboard. So this is what Shopify dashboard interface looks like. Here at the top left corner you can check out this offers home, this options, home orders, products, customers, marketing, discounts, content, markets, and analytics. From analytics you can check out your profiles. Analytics from markets you can check out your catalogs and etc, like your shipping zones. You can add new, create market from here. But as our today's video is about how to add PayPal to Shopify, so I'm going to show it to you. So first of all, here you can see this app ships options. You can tap onto it and just simply search for PayPal, and then here you can see, or there's another options here at the settings option. Just tap onto settings, but before that let me show you. Here you can see the payment options. Here you can just set it up on your PayPal for adding PayPal. Okay, so here you can see this. I will show it to you later, but before that, tap onto the settings option at the bottom left corner. Then here you can see this option called payments. Just tap onto this payments option, and here you can also check out your Shopify plans, like what is your plan right now. So tap onto payments, and after tapping onto payment, here you can tap onto this manage section, and after tapping onto manage you can see I have third-party payment section here. But for now, let's go back, and here you can see this plus icon with a text called add payment method. From here you just have to tap onto this options, and here you can see manually it will be set it up to search by payment method. You can just tap onto it and search up for it, but here you can see the search app provider, search for PayPal at the search bar. Wait, so you can add other payment methods from here by clicking onto this. You can choose other provider, for example, here you can see Skrill and etc other providers. But as I'm going to show you today how to add PayPal, so here is the PayPal option. Here you can see this payments option, you can set it up, but for now I'm going to choose this proof by PayPal tracking sync, because this is really one of the cool websites there, so works really great. So let's tap onto it, and after tapping onto it, here you can see this install. Also you can just view a demo store of them. Here is the demo store, you can check it out, that how will it looks like. So let's install it up. So tap onto the install option, and if you scroll down you can check out their pricings from here. Here you can see this, this is free to install, and you can connect both Stripe and PayPal using it with multi PayPal account. But if you choose the premium account, you'll get some extra benefits. For example, sync unlimited PayPal and Stripe order based order sync, like fast order syncs, courier mapping rule, 500 shipments tracking, integrates 900 plus courier multi PayPal account. And there's another one, high growth. Just read them out and choose the one that suits you more. But for today's video I'm gonna go with the freer version. Now tap on to install and complete the installation process. As you can see, my Provo app track has been installed to my Shopify store. So let's tap onto it and let it load first. And after it gets load, you can just set up your PayPal account very easily. So there we go. Now tap on to approve, and after tapping off to approve, here you can see this option called connect with PayPal, and you can easily connect with PayPal from here, or you can also skip for now. But I recommend you to you that you just connect your PayPal to Shopify stores at the first place. So just tap onto the connect to PayPal options, and there you can see your email or phone number options. You just have to email or phone number, enter your email and phone number, and then you have to tap next. And in case you have forgot your email, and go check your email out. And then here you can see the sign up option. If you don't have a PayPal account, you can sign up from here very easily. So this is let me connect these options. Now you have to enter your email address, then you have to tap confirm, Then you have to go and create your PayPal account. From here you have to enter your phone number. From here, like, your phone number is required. Then you have to tap next. So after tapping onto next, you have to follow the prompted options, and then you can just create your PayPal account and connect it to your Shopify store. So for now, tap onto skip for now, as I just showed you how we can connect with PayPal. So as you can see, you can free store compliment check that prevent unexpected PayPal and Stripe bans. From here you have to get a quick compliance check in 5 minutes, and then you'll fix any issues. You just have to tap on your start compliance check, and then they will just check a compliance, run a compliance check, and there we go. Here we can just check them out. From here, this is the AI chat start. You can just talk with it, and from here you can connect your profile account, PayPal account. You just have to connect your profile account. From here, then you just have to sync your password if you wish to. You can connect your Stripe account, as you can see, and complete all the necessary steps. From here, then that's it. As you can see now, here you have to tap yes. So that's it. Now you just have to tap onto yes. From here, as you can see, you just have to enter these questions, and you can run a check that whether you will get a ban from PayPal and Stripe or not, like, or how you can prevent them. So this is how you can connect your PayPal to Shopify store very easily. I showed you one of the easiest way that how you can create or connect Shopify store to PayPal or PayPal to Shopify. So that's it, and if this video helped you, let me know in the comment section. Like this video, also write down onto the comment below that what type of video you want to see in future, or what type of tutorials you need. Okay, and that's it. So till then, take care, and happy exploring as always. And if you want to add PayPal, then add it, and you can also add other payment methods, as I just showed you earlier on this video. From the settings section, you just can add other payments from here. Okay, you can add payment, you can also add annual payment. From here you can check them out. So goodbye, and see you on to the next video.